guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my top current favorite products, and all of these products are under 500 rupees. I would highly recommend you all, if you are a beginner, to try out these products, or if you are into makeup and you want to try more affordable options, then these are the products you should definitely try. I have approximately 8 to 9 products, and there are 4 products that I use on daily basis, and that's where the idea of this video came into my mind. So without wasting any more time, let's just start with the video. Starting with the first product is from the hair care range, and this is the only product from hair care range. Rest all are makeup products. So I'm talking about this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. You can clearly see I've finished half of the bottle. I absolutely love this product and I use it daily. So whenever I wash my hair, after my shampoo and conditioner, I like to take 2-3 drops and apply it onto my hair. It helps to detangle your hair. It also works as a heat protectant and also keeps your hair frizz free. I absolutely love it. I have a detailed review video also on this product, so you can check out my description box if you want to buy this product. Also, this retails for 4.99 rupees. Also, you can get this product on discount online on Nika or Amazon, Myntra, from wherever you want to pick it up. The second product is my most favorite product from all the products that I'll be showing you all today, and this is also the most affordable one. I'm talking about this star product. This is the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. I absolutely love this product. It has a very nice yellow undertone to it, and also the coverage is really good. I only use this concealer now. All of my other concealers are just sitting like that. I just reach out to this one only. It retails just for 199 rupees, and also you can get 10% off on that 199. It comes in various different shades, and I would highly recommend you all to give it a try. The next product is the foundation, and I have this Nika Skin Genius foundation with me. Now there are a lot of foundations available in the market in different price range, and I personally own more than 15 foundations, but this is the one that I reach out to most. It is almost finished. I need to buy a backup for this. This foundation is very lightweight, has a medium coverage, and it gives you a nice dewy look. I absolutely love the formula of this foundation, and whenever I'm on the go, this is the one that I use. Also for my videos, when I have to do like a neutral makeup, like I've used it today also, I go for this foundation only. This foundation retails for 575 rupees. This is above 500, I know, but you'll get this foundation always on discount on Nika, so you can check it out. Also, there will be couple of more products, like 2 or 3 more products that are above 500, like 550 or 575, but they're always on discount, so that's why I've added in this video, and I would highly recommend you all to try this foundation as well. Moving further, the next item is a compact. I think I've added all of the base products in this video. All of them are from different brands, and I really love them. So recently I came across this Slackman 9 to 5 compact. This is the foundation based compact, so it gives an extra coverage, which I personally love. And if you are on the go and you don't want to put any base makeup like a foundation or BB cream, you can just dab this compact and you'll get a very nice coverage, and over the foundation it works amazingly well. I've used it today and I can see that my base looks very full coverage and very nice. So this retails for 575 rupees, but on Lakme you get discount all throughout the year. I got it from Nika and I just paid 420 rupees for this one. This is something that you should not miss in this price range, and a foundation based compact. I think Lakme has done a fab job. Moving on to the eyes, the next product is the Eyebrow Pencil, and I cannot emphasize enough how much I love this product. This Eyebrow Pencil is from Wet n Wild. It retails for 499 rupees, but again you'll get it on discount. I got it for some 300 rupees. You get a spoolie on this end and the product on this. The application is very smooth, and this is what I've applied on my eyebrow. This is something that you can use for daily purpose like I do. Next product is an eyeshadow, and I recently bought it, and I'm talking about this e.l.f. bite size eyeshadow palette. This is super tiny, like you can see, and it comes in a different color variant, and it has 4 shades in it. Like you get 2 matte and 2 shimmer ones. If you are a beginner, I think you should definitely pick this one up. It is very affordable, supremely pigmented, and you can create nice look using this palette. And also, if you are into makeup but looking for more affordable eyeshadow options, I think you should definitely pick this one. There are a couple of more color variants that I want to add into my vanity. I have one more eyeshadow palette recommendation for you all, and it is slightly above 500. It retails for 600 rupees. I'm talking about this Nika eyeshadow palette. I got it on discount, and you will also get discount on this eyeshadow palette, so check it on Nika. It has 10 gorgeous shades. You get a mix of matte and shimmer in it. Comes in different color variants. This is the one that I've picked. It is called Beachside Peach, and I absolutely love the color selection. The shimmer ones are so pigmented, and also the matte ones are very nice and pigmented. This palette is my go-to palette. On regular days, I just apply one eyeshadow, which is this lighter one. Like I mix these and I apply it all over my eyes, and then put a liner, and I'm good to go. And to just amp it up, I apply this shimmer ones just roughly with my finger. This is a multi-purpose palette. I also love to use it for my nighttime glam, and use the darker shade and the shimmer ones. Very compact, perfect for beginners, and something that you should not miss out on. Further, the last two products are for the lips, and the first one is this. This is from Nika. This is the Molten Matte Lip and Cheek color. So you can use it as a blush also, and you can apply it on your lips. This particular shade, which is called Blair, is my absolute favorite. This is my third bottle. I love it so much. Whenever I want to apply a very light color on the lips, I just go for this product, and also on the cheeks it looks so beautiful. Quickly giving you all a hand swatch. This is how the shade looks like. It blends like a dream. It gives a very nice pink color to your cheeks, which looks very natural. And I've not seen anyone talking about this product from Nika especially, but I personally loved it, and I would highly recommend you to try it. Not all the shades are really good, because since it is a lip and cheek tints, they have a lot of shades which are in brown tones. So brown blush doesn't look that great, but this shade, which is called Blair, and the other shade, which is called Serena, is also really good. I would recommend you all these two shades, because I personally love them and use them, and they look absolutely gorgeous. This retails for 525 rupees, but off lately I have observed that this product is always on 50% discount. The first time that I bought it on full price, and the last two times when I bought it for flat 50. So I picked two shades and just paid for one. So you can also check it out and try this one. The next and the last product that I absolutely love using, and I've been using this ever since I bought it, is a lipstick, and this is the Nika's Matte to Last Liquid Lipstick, particularly in the shade Bombay, and a couple of other shades from this range. And I just wonder why I didn't try Bombay before, and I absolutely love it. It is such a beautiful nude color, and I really love it. This is what I've applied on my lips today, and I always use this one. This color is no brainer for me. This goes with all of my looks, be it daytime or nighttime. I just go with this color. All of my other lipsticks are just sitting like that. I really love this one, and I would highly recommend you to try it. The formula is very lightweight. If you are into liquid lipstick and you prefer your lipsticks to be matte, I think this formula is something that you should definitely try it out. It is so comfortable. It settles to a matte, but it doesn't feel matte at all. My lips don't look very dry or cracky at all. The formula is really nice and gentle on the lips. I hope you all enjoyed watching my recommendations and current favorites, and if you like this video, give it a like, do subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I shall see you all with my next video. Till then, take care guys. Thanks for watching.